This video explains how to extract the top and bottom n rows of a pandas data frame in the Python programming language. So without too much talk, let's dive into the Python code. As a very first step, we need to import the pandas library, as you can see in the first line of code. And then we also need to create a data frame using the data frame constructor, as you can see in the second code box. So after running these lines of code, a new data frame called data is created, and we can print the entire data frame using the print function. And then you can see below the code box that our data frame contains 9 rows and the 3 columns x1, x2 and x3. Now, if we want to extract the top n rows of this data frame, we can apply the head function, as you can see in the next line of code. And within the head function, we need to specify the number of rows that we want to extract. So in this example, I'm going to extract 4 rows. And then I'm also storing the output of the head function in a new data frame object that I'm calling data.head. And I'm printing this data frame below the code box. So after running these lines of code, you can see that we have extracted the first 4 rows of our pandas data frame and all the columns that were contained in the input data frame. Similar to that, we can also use the tail function to extract the bottom n rows of a data frame. So in this case, I'm extracting the bottom 2 rows of our data frame, and for that reason, I'm specifying the value 2 within the tail function. And as in the previous example, I'm storing the output of this in a new data frame that I'm calling data.tail, and I'm printing this data frame below the code box. And then you can see that we have created a new data frame that contains only the bottom 2 rows of our pandas data frame. That's all I wanted to explain in this video. In case you want to learn more on this topic, you may check out my homepage, statisticsglobe.com, because on my homepage I have recently published a tutorial in which I'm explaining the content of this video in some more detail. I will put a link to this tutorial into the description of the video, so you can find it there. If you have liked this video or if you have any questions, let me know in the comments section below. I'll try to respond to all comments as soon as I can. Furthermore, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel to get notified about future video releases. I have already published about 500 videos on this channel, and I'm releasing new videos on a daily basis. Thanks a lot for watching. See you in the next video.